Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you've sent money through CAPITEC's Cash Send feature and realized you made a mistake? Don't worry, reversing it is actually pretty straightforward. Step 1. Open your CAPITEC app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Transactions or Activity section where all your recent transfers are displayed. Look for the Cash Send transaction you want to reverse. Step 2. Tap on the specific Cash Send transaction that needs to be reversed. This will open the transaction details where you can see all the information about that transfer, including the amount, recipient, and timestamp. Step 3. Look for a menu option or three-dot icon in the top right corner of the transaction details screen. Click on this to reveal more options available for that transaction. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select the Reverse or Cancel option. CAPITEC will then prompt you to confirm that you want to reverse this transaction, so make sure you're selecting the right one. Step 5. Confirm your decision and enter any required authentication, like your PIN or biometric verification. Once confirmed, CAPITEC will process the reversal and the funds should be returned to your account within 24 to 48 hours depending on the recipient's bank.